channel, and if you're new, then welcome. Obviously, by the title, today's video is going to be my empty apartment tour. I filmed this video weeks ago, but I did record the intro the day of, and I just procrastinated. So, but yeah, I just wanted to come and film a proper intro because the day of, I was like a bum, and Mother Nature decided she wanted to pop up on my move-in date. Talk about disrespectful. But I'm excited to show y'all my apartment. It's just a 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom apartment because it's just me. But I ain't gonna keep talking, so. Alright, y'all, so this is my front door into my apartment. This is a little entryway. Over there in the corner is the trash can for the valet pickup. I'm so glad they got that. It is an extra fee included in the rent, but it's all good. And this is the little hallway in that area. Got a chair in there that my mom gave me. And yeah. So coming over here is my living room, and I love it, y'all. It's really spacious, especially for just one person. It's just me. And over there where the ceiling fan is, that's actually the dining room area, but I'm not gonna be sitting up and eating at no table, so yeah. Alright, going over here is my kitchen. It has like a little island type of thing going on. I'm not gonna get no bar stools, nothing like that, because it's just be in the way. But here's my my pantry. It got plenty of space, so I was really happy about that. And I got paper towels in there already and a step stool because I'm short and I need to be able to reach my top cabinets. But yeah, my apartment actually didn't come with a microwave, but of course it came with the rest of the other appliances. So yeah. Alright, y'all, so over in here is the laundry area. It doesn't come with washer and dryer, so they just have the hookups. So, and it has a shelf on each side, which is really cool. So that's pretty much it from the washer and dryer area. Okay, y'all, now we're moving to my favorite part of my apartment, and it's the bathroom. Yeah, I love this freaking bathroom. I love that it had a vanity area because I wanted to have a vanity in my apartment, like in my room or something. But since the bathroom was like this, I was just like, this was great. It saved me money from having to, actually buy a vanity and lights and all that stuff. And it's just so cute. And it's really big for a bathroom. And then I like how that the toilet and sink is over here, and then the shower has kind of like its own little area over there. But I love it, y'all, and there's really good lighting in here. Okay, y'all, so over here is my bathroom closet, and I was happy with the amount of space it has because I got a whole lot of stuff, so that was nice. And then over here, I actually didn't know this. I forgot what the mall looked like, but I didn't know the bathroom had a window in it. But it lets in extra light or whatever. And here's the shower, obviously. And then this door over here goes through the closet to my bedroom. So you can enter through the bathroom from my room, through the closet, or through the little hallway area. Alright, and right through this door is my bedroom. This huge window I freaking love. It lets in so much good natural sunlight, and then you have the other two windows over here. So yeah, that's another thing I didn't remember from the model either. I was just like, this place got a lot of windows. But this is another angle of the bedroom. So it's a bit bigger than my bedroom was in my mom and dad house. But yeah, I love it, y'all.